Kia ora everybody, I'm Clint Roberts and welcome to my new house. Well, it's new to me. It's actually quite old, this house. It was built in the 1970s. And for that reason, I'm currently in the process of confidently, but not expertly, renovating it. A bit of DIY. I've teamed up with MasterStroke by Resene, and we're going to use wallpaper to bring the bathroom into today, essentially. I've given the walls a sand, I've painted the trims and the ceiling, and I've sized the walls as well, which is something I just learnt about. Now, I'm a little bit out of my depth, so I'm going to phone a friend to show me what to do next. G'day, Ingel.
G'day, Clint. How are you?
Good. I'll show you the bathroom space and I'll show you what I've done already, and you can tell me if I've done it right.
Great, let's have a look.
So this is our guest bathroom. I've given it a sand just to take the gloss off the paint.
Yes, that's perfect. You can feel the size on there, which is very important.
I've touched up all the architraves and trims beforehand and freshened up the ceiling, and hopefully that's enough.
Let's go. So to start with, we'll drop a plumb line. Yep.
A plumb line.
That gives us a straight line.
Oh, right, okay.
Grab your roll of wallpaper, put it on the wall, put our mark on the wall.
Wow, that's clever.
This is when I normally do the pasting, but it's your bathroom, so have a crack.
I'm going to cut around the edges here with the brush, and then we're going to use the roller to do the whole fill in.
Yes.
Okay, what do you reckon?
Great, well, happy enough. Let's hang some wallpaper.
I'll catch you.
Now, I'll just trim the bottom edge off. That's rolling all the bubbles out. Then we just need to trim it. More nice surface to cut through the paper.
Great decision for me to get some help. I mean, just for my first time, right? Well, looking good. One piece down.
Do you want to have a go?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay. So just take it out a bit.
That's pretty good. Oh.
It's all right, we can hide that.
I've nicked it. We can hide that?
We can hide that.
Okay, I'm very interested to know how. Ta-da! I knew this was going to look good. I did not think it was going to look this good.
It's very, very smart, doesn't it?
Doesn't it? And I have a new appreciation for how many corners there are in this bathroom now.
Ain't that the truth?
I absolutely love it. It's brilliant. Very grateful. Thank you very much.
Very, very welcome.